Ballet Pim Ju Shongtat. Why are you not resting? Nga kwa ban kamai kambon. I want to earn more. Ballet pi kwa ban kamai. Why do you want to earn? Ban kershan yaladir. To support myself. Ban kershan yaki bahayeng. To support my family. Kadno ngun dan hayeng. How many are there in the house? Ni dan prangut. We are 8 of us. Ka long yeng ka ba he. The big family. Kadno ngut ki kun kintay bachin rang. How many sons and daughters? Unir ukana uday ukun jong pi. This boy is your son. Manu inie ikana kantay? Who is this girl? Inie iday ikun kantay jonga. This is my daughter. Kala dan kadno snem. How old is she? Kala dan sao snem karta. She is 4 years old. Kadang let school. She is going to school. Hey, kadan ka school. Where is the school? Kadan hajan yo. It is nearby the market. Yalam ya nga shate. Take me there.